Trains will soon move through the Spokane area with no one in the locomotive. They're not runaways, they're remote controlled. And train engineers say they're an accident waiting to happen. Good evening, everyone. I'm Nadine Woodward.
And I'm Charles Rowe, in for Randy Shaw. Burlington Northern Railroad plans to start operating some trains by remote control in the Spokane area this summer.
Crime 2's Kevin Oliver is now live in the Spokane Valley with tonight's top story. Kevin?
Well, Charles and Nadine, Burlington Northern says they will use these remote control devices mainly to exchange and change freight cars from different locomotives. They have been used in other countries for about 10 years. Still, not everybody here is all aboard on this idea. The thought of moving freight on trains through Spokane with no one on board terrifies people who work on the railroad.
My worst fear would be a catastrophic derailment, hazardous material spill, another one of my crew members or friends out here being killed.
Engineer Mike Elliott says since March there have been 7 collisions in the U.S. involving remote-control trains. Using them in Spokane, he says, he's only asking for problems here, too. The rail line says they plan to use remote-control devices from about Park Road through downtown Spokane, crossing 3 major streets. Burlington Northern says a study in Canada showed a single operator using a remote control cut accidents by 70%. But the railroad unions dispute those statistics and point out right now an engineer and 2 crew members look after a train, and with remote control it's just 1 with significantly less training.
And with the remote control operations, 10 days. That's it. They can operate a train in 10 days.
Engineers say even the government has let railroad companies roll right over the issue, providing no regulation on how or when remote control should be used.
They haven't done that. They've only made recommendations.
And until there's some regulation, Elliott believes the old-fashioned way, with a human on board, is still the safest way. Now, Burlington Northern says this is just a pilot program starting here in Spokane. Still, engineers are heavily lobbying Congress and the Senate for more regulations. Reporting live in the Spokane Valley, Kevin Oliver, Crime 2 News.